In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use work schedules in Monday.com. We'll start by opening Monday.com and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to the Workspaces area so you're organizing your schedule in the right place. This keeps everything tidy and accessible for your team. Next, click the plus icon to create something new. When the menu appears, hover over Board. Instead of starting from scratch, choose Start with Template. Using a template saves time and gives you a ready-made structure tailored for scheduling. You'll land in the Template Center. Open the All Templates section, then browse to the General Templates category. In the search bar, type Work Schedule. You should see a template called Work Schedule. Click it to preview what's included. Typically columns for people, dates, shifts, and statuses, plus a couple of views that make planning easier. When you're ready, click Use Template to add it to your workspace. Your new board will open with pre-built groups, often organized by weeks. Begin in the Week 1 group. Here, make your edits. Assign team members to shifts, adjust dates, set start and end times, and update statuses like working, off, or remote. If your team tracks locations or roles, you can customize columns to match your needs. A quick tip: keep naming consistent for shift types so filters and dashboards stay clean. Move to Week 2 to plan the following week using the same structure. You can duplicate rows from Week 1 if your schedule repeats, then tweak the details. This is a great way to build a rolling schedule without retyping everything. As your team grows, consider adding groups for additional weeks so you always have a runway of upcoming schedules. Switch to the main table view to see everything in one place. This is ideal for bulk edits, filtering by person or date, and ensuring there are no conflicts. Use filters to isolate a single team member's week, or sort by date to verify coverage across days. If you notice gaps, adjust assignments directly from this view. Finally, open the dashboard view. This gives you a visual snapshot of your schedule, things like workload distribution and upcoming shifts, so you can catch overloads or undercoverage at a glance. If widgets are available, tailor them to show what matters most, such as hours per person or shifts per day. That's it. You've created a work schedule board from a template, customized Week 1 and Week 2, reviewed everything in the main table, and wrapped it up with a helpful dashboard overview.